This is an alarm host, which is connected to the mobile phone through the distribution network, and the host is paired with the accessories. When the accessory detects an abnormal situation, the host will alarm, and the mobile phone can also receive calls and information reminder. This host uses LCD graphic display, indicator light, speaker port, numeric keypad, fixed holes, power switch, USB interface, wired connection, SIM card holder, battery box. First, move the paddle to the right to open the card slot, pay attention to the chip facing down, and the notch facing down, and finally install it. Note here, the 2G version we bought does not support 3G, 4G, and 5G cards. The 4G version is compatible with 2G cards, 3G cards, and does not support 5G cards. After installing the SIM card, turn on the power. First, press 6666 to enter the project setting. Confirm, enter the command we need, English is 112, confirm and the operation will be successful.
Operation succeed.
First, press 6666 to enter the project setting. Confirm, enter the command we need. The time command is for 8+ year, month, day and hour, and the operation can be successful after confirmation. First, press 6666 to enter the project settings. Confirm, enter the command we need. The keypad lock is 401. Confirm and the operation is successful. The initial password is 1234.
Please enter the password. System armed.
First, press 6666 to enter the project setting. Confirm, enter the command we need. The alarm number to send a text message is 49 plus the mobile phone number. Confirm that the operation is successful, and exit.
Operation succeed.
First, press 6666 to enter the project setting. Confirm, enter the command we need. The alarm number to call is 51 plus the mobile phone number. Confirm and the operation is successful. Exit.
Operation succeed. System armed.
For disarm, press 1 for arm, press 9 shut the siren, press asterisk for monitor, press hashtag hang up.
System disarmed.
First, turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of the mobile phone. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz. And open the Smart Life app. The host presses 6666 to enter the project setting. Confirm, enter the command we need. The network distribution command is 00. Enter the Wi-Fi distribution network mode. Click Add Devices on the mobile phone. Automatically search for the device. Directly click Add. Wait for T connection, and exit.
System armed. System disarmed.
First, press 6666 to enter the project setting. Confirm, enter the command we need. The first remote control pairing command is 211, the second is 212. Confirm, Press any button on the remote control, and exit after learning successfully. First, take out the insulating sheet of the door sensor. Then press 6666 to enter the project setting. Confirm, enter the command we need. The corresponding command is 231. The next one is 232. Confirm, pull the door sensor open, and exit after learning successfully.
这样子的话。
First, turn on the power. The accessory will perform a 30-second self-test, then press 6666 to enter the project setting. Confirm, enter the command we need. The corresponding command is 23 plus the number. Confirm, sweep the infrared detector to trigger the accessory. After successful learning, just exit. First, press 6666 to enter the project settings. Confirm, enter the command we need. The corresponding command is 231. Confirm, click SOS, exit after learning successfully. First, press 6666 to enter the project settings. Confirm, enter the command we need. The corresponding command is 232. Confirm, click the doorbell, exit after learning successfully. First, press 6666 to enter the project settings. Confirm, enter the command we need. The corresponding command is 233. Confirm, click on the smoke sensor, and exit after learning successfully. Fix the bracket on the wall first, and then hang the host on the wall. The infrared installation height is 2.2 meters, and the detection angle is 110 degrees. It cannot be installed on the side of the window, or the strong light and heat flow vents. Install the door sensor on the door. When the door is opened, the host will alarm. Install SOS where needed, and press SOS for first aid in case of emergency. Install the doorbell at the door. When someone rings the doorbell, trigger the doorbell to ring. Install the smoke detector in the kitchen, living room and other places. When smoke is detected, the alarm will be triggered.